Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now today I'm trying to do a timed 15-minute cleaning. Now I thought I would put my timer up and see how much I could get done in 15 minutes in the family room. Trying to put it back together for a refresh for the weekend. So I thought I would share with you what all I did in the 15-minute time period. So let me know down below in the description box what you think of my 15-minute cleaning session. And hopefully I'll do more of these. So I'll see you at the end.
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. to show me that you care. Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. You fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa.
So here we are. Everything is cleaned, wiped down, and in its place. Now, it doesn't take much to do the family room. Even though we do spend a lot of time in here, I try to keep it clean as possible so when you come in that this room looks good for guests. So I've wiped everything down and got everything except for my husband's corner. Excuse that. He has to go through that mail, his pile, and move it. We're working on him being a little bit more neater in that corner. Now I'm working on getting me some new pillow covers to put in here because I'm thinking of sprucing those pillows up a little bit. I have them as a neutral tone. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave them as a neutral or what, or just get a couple of more accent pillows to put on the sofa. I'm looking to pep it up a little bit. Tell me what you think down below. And as always, I'll catch you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.